Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I'm freezing today. Oh! And I have no idea what I'm gonna work on. It's just another one of those days where you wake up and it's like, okay, you got a list of things in your brain you gotta get done. And your body goes, nope. I don't wanna. I want to do any of it. I want to sit here and do none of it. Actually, you know what I want to do? And this is going to be a weird project day. I don't want these to end up in the trash bin. It's going to be a weird project for real. You see how this side on this one's good? And this side on this side on this one's good? I think what I need to do is put them together somehow. I think I need to cut the wing off this one and maybe use some resin and attach it to this one. So I have to cut off that wing and cut off the same wing on this side. And then I'm going to put them back into the mold. See if we can rescue one of them. Because I don't want to have another, I mean, these are just sitting around and I'm like, okay, more projects that I'm going to not get done or it's going to get thrown away. No. I mean, together they make one good bug. Right? I mean, he's missing an antenna over here, but the resin will fill that in. If I pour resin, that should fill that in. I mean, frankly, I could put this back in the mold and pour resin over the top of it anyway, but I could do that on this one too. Just take the wing off. Then I'd have two. Oh, ooh. Then I'd have two. All right. Let's see. Where's the mold? It's in its bin, and I can see it. He'll go back in the mold, so I just need to remove his wing. Oh. We are doing some stuff today. Jigsaw. I didn't get the jigsaw. This one, because what's wrong with it is that it's not filled enough here. I could just put that back in and dump a little bit on there. See how it's like not filled right there? We just put them back in, pour a little resin over the top, and then wait 1 second. I heard you guys. This is kind of your fault. I heard over and over and over again, they should be garden stakes. Well, I couldn't find stakes to just stick in them, but I did find these skewers. So these are stainless steel skewers if you wanted to do like kebabs, right? Well, I'm not doing a kebab, but I feel like I could epoxy or resin, put a little resin on this. And that's a garden stake. These are available at Dollar Tree in a 4-pack. I went extra and got a 12-pack on Amazon, but Dollar Tree has these as a 4-pack for $1.25. We could all be making garden stakes. I'm just saying. I may have to do some other things as garden stakes. What else do we have? Oh, how about the bunny? Okay, no, we're not pouring anything else today, though. We're going to fix these. But while we're fixing it, maybe I could put one of these on the wing so he looks like he's flying in the garden. right? That'd be cool since I'm pouring resin anyway. Dog hair. Huh? 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 Are we feeling it? I think we are. Okay, so this one I can pour right away. And the other one I need to get the wing off. So let me grab my jigsaw and zip his wing off. And then we'll be able to pour that. I'm going to pour one first because I only have one mold. So it slows down the process ever so slightly, but that's okay because this is going to be great. I'm excited. Now I'm going to actually have two. I was afraid, you know, oh, I've wasted this product. And no, we haven't. We haven't wasted anything. We can still use them. I'm very excited. I listened. You guys think I don't hear you in the comments. I hear you. And you were right. That'd be a really cute garden stake, right? Like I may have to keep one. Okay, let's get to it. Let me get the jigsaw and cut the wing off that thing. That was probably super dangerous, but I did it. I just held it up to the blade and went, and it worked. They probably shouldn't have done that. But now that goofy wing is gone, but now I won't waste anything except that little bit that isn't going to do anybody any good anyway. This chunk can chuck it. That's the only part we're wasting is this. Now I'll have two more. I'm so excited. I'm glad I thought of this. It's a good day. It's a good day. I like when my brain is working. It's a good day. And as long as I'm pouring resin, I took the bird mold out. This is the last one I did, but I'm going to pour a bunch more of these. And the skull. So once we're, you know, if I mix too much, the skull will be, it's almost full actually. Those are for Halloween, but for this to sit inside the wing, because that's the only place we have for it at this point, it has to be up, and this little bird stamp was the perfect height to keep that embedded in that mold. So that's going to be where that's going to go. And that's the only place we have for it. Not ideal. Ideally, when we do this again from a fresh mold, we'll put it somewhere in the center of the dragonfly, but we're making this work. We're going to make this work. This is going to work. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know. Do I know what I'm doing? No, I'm making this up as I go along. Again, not an expert. I'm a DIYer. We're going to try things. So I have plastic cups to measure and mix in here. Forgot my popsicle sticks. Get the popsicle sticks. All right. Let's put the A and B together here. I'm just going to fill all the spots that didn't get filled last time because we ran out of time and stuff. And there's a little spot. This wing didn't get filled. And then his little antennae. His head didn't get filled. The edge of that wing is still not filled. Get in there. And the corner of that one. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna do it. We're doing it. Okay, so the stake kept popping up and wanting to like roll out for some reason. So I've taped it in place so it's not rolling, and then I weighted it with some painter's tape, which I've got a little platform underneath the tape. Now it's down in there again. But just FYI, if you guys are doing the garden stake thing, if you decide you want to try this, you'll have to weigh that down because this stuff is like bubbling. So the air bubbles are coming out and it's shifting around in there. And yeah, it is pushing the metal stake right out of there. Okay, that worked. I don't know how I feel about it sticking out the back though now, but it worked. And I was able to fill in where the missing pieces were, and it's actually seamless. So that was a good idea, Stacy. Now we're going to do the other one. So I've got this one cut off where the wing had gone sideways. Let's put this aside because it's still a little sticky. So is this little guy. This is I didn't want to wait overnight. I have no patience to wait overnight. So we're going to pour the other one. And I am not going to put a stake in this one just because this is puffed up so much in the back. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. The Drilla. I don't know. I'm going to have to sand it down, drill it, figure it out. I just want to see if this works. I mean, it should work. It should work. Pour another bird. That looks really good. It actually meets the body very nicely. And now we wait. All right, it is the next day. I've demolded a bird. Let's get this dragonfly out of here and see what happens. I mean, obviously it's created a wing, but I just want to make sure it stays together here. Ooh. Yep. Ah. Well, we rescued that. Oh, it's perfect. You can't even feel where it's come together. That's awesome. So now I didn't lose either one of them. We'll have to clean up the edges, borrow a Dremel from my husband, and then once you put paint on this, you'd never know the difference. Maybe I'll give these to Naomi for her little rusty creature treatment, just because this has the holes in it, and this would probably be perfect for rusting. But I'll clean it up first, get this sanded down. I'm just happy that I didn't lose any, because that was a lot. I mean, this is a lot of product to lose. And the wing that we cut off it's better just to lose that bit. So I'm excited. I'm happy that both of these worked. So the garden stake, maybe I'll give that to Naomi too. We'll see if she wants them. She can let me know if she wants these, but before I give them to her, I'll just zap that up and sand this back. That's the only place you can feel it, is that it didn't level it up to where, because this, so that puffed up like the expanding foam, and it raised way above the mold. So that's the only place you can tell that it's put together. But from the front, like once this is painted, you would never know. I can't feel it at all. There's no difference. That's awesome. I'm so happy. Yay. And that's it. That's my project for the day. I'm going to just move on to the next thing because I think rescuing these two little guys, that was a good day. Where's the other one? I put them up here. Oh. Yeah. So I'm happy. I'm happy that I'm not throwing these away because that was the plan. I'm like, oh, throw them away. So now at least they'll have a different life. They'll have something. They'll be something. I like them. I like them. I like them a lot. This one, I think if Naomi went to rust this one, because she can put things over, like tape and stuff over that, so that would actually probably make that better. And do her rust treatment over this for a little garden stake. I think it'd be super cute. Super cute. Good idea for the garden stake, guys. Good idea. I'd probably make one flying up and not sideways though. Might make a garden stake like this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I do any more, but for now, this is it. We've rescued 2. These are not going in the doom pile. They are rescued. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.